Alright, now let's look on question 6. Okay, this is the question where you can actually know the answer, but the marks are not in the answer but dalam you punya jalan kira. So this question asks you to find the number of moles of NaOH and H3PO4 phosphoric acid, and then this will write the chemical equation for the reaction that took place. So how do we find the moles and the chemical equation? So if you baca this soalan is neutralization, which is titration. Okay, first thing, as usual, highlight all of the important information given. So we have 25 milliliter of phosphoric acid and 20 milliliter of sodium hydroxide, and also their concentration are given respectively. So like macam biasa untuk cari the moles, so let's find the mole first. Okay, let's color. So moles NaOH dulu, NaOH is equivalent to mv over 1000. This formula can be used mv 1000 or mv sahaja. mv over 1000 only if kalau volume is in milliliter or cm cube. Kalau dia dah dalam dm cube dah tak perlu bahagi 1000. So let's darabkan dia punya molarity is 0.5 darab dengan dia punya volume of NaOH is NaOH. So NaOH is 20. So darab dengan 20 milliliter over 1000. So you should get the punya jawapan is 0.01. Yes, 0.01 moles. While untuk H3PO4 and H3PO4, okay, sama juga, mv over 1000, so is 25. So letak dia punya m dulu, which is 0.2, dia punya molarity, times dengan dia punya volume, which is 25 over 1000. So this kind of question very common lah, that it trick you, as kalau you guys tengok the order that it give is first dia bagi volume of phosphoric acid dulu baru sodium hydroxide, but the concentration dia tukar, dia bagi sodium hydroxide dulu baru phosphoric acid. So the usually kesalahan akan datang from careless mistake lah. So it is 0.05 mole. Okay, so dah dapat both of the moles lah. So now kita perlukan dia nak chemical equation. So chemical equation untuk acid campur base is always kita akan dapat acid campur dengan base, kita always akan dapat salt, any form of salt, and water, H2O, kita akan dapat water. So now kita tahu that we have the acid is phosphoric acid, which is H3PO4, and plus dia punya base NaOH. Okay, kita tak tahu salt dia apa, salt dia kita tak tahu, and then kita tahu dia akan dapat H2O. So okay, we know that kalau NaOH, the base NaOH dia always akan terpecah menjadi 2. So Na plus dengan OH minus. Tapi untuk H3PO4, we are not that familiar kan. Kita tak tahu H3PO4 ni dapat apa. Okay, so ini kita dah tahu is the starting of our salt, tapi kita tak tahu untuk apa. Kita tahu yang belakang dia apa. So we want to find sodium ions ni akan bergabung dengan which part of the acid ni. So, okay. Now, cara nak buat dia is kita use ratio. Since this is neutralization and dia cakap use this amount exactly untuk neutralize, so we can conclude that at neutralization point it has the same it is a complete chemical equation lah, complete reaction. Maksudnya tak ada excess, tak ada, so tak ada limiting, tak ada excess. The excess, the masa neutralization, because they complete. So this is the keyword, complete. So kita boleh buat ratio untuk tahu the stoichiometric ratio terus. So we use that H3PO4 and the ratio between H3PO4 dengan NaOH, okay, when it completely neutralized, kita ambil dia orang punya mole, which is 0.005 and 0.01, kan? So stoichiometric comparison, kita tak boleh nak letak 0.005, kita tak boleh letak 0.01, it always have to be integers. So what we do, kita divide with the smallest number, which is 0.005. So kita bahagikan 0.05 is 1, dapat 2. So the stoichiometric comparison is 1 and 2. Okay. Now the chemical equation kita dah tahu, it is Na2 and 2 NaOH and dapat salt apa. So it means that since kita dah letak 2 sini, the Na here will be 2. Okay, kita tak tahu which part of H3PO4 yang dekat belakang dia. Right? For your information, untuk acid, it is always akan produce the H+. This is the acid part lah. Tapi in this H3PO4, we actually produce 2H+, and we are left with HPO4 2-. Okay, how do I know it has 2-? Okay, untuk acid is always H+. H+ is what define an acid. Sebab why I know it's 2-? Sebab kita dah letak it is Na2, so it is HPO4. Sebab kalau remember, we get this 2 sebab kita darab silang, right? Na+. So the final equation is 1, so tak perlulah 1, H3PO4 plus 2NaOH dapat Na2HPO4 plus dengan H2O. Tapi remember, it has to be a balanced equation. Kalau you guys tengok, we have 3 hydrogen and then we have 5 hydrogen, while this we have 1 hydrogen and 3 hydrogen. So we need to balance this and then kita darabkan 2. So this is the final equation, chemical equation. Thank you.